What's up, guys? Here we are again with the Isuzu truck that I went to pick up in Fredericksburg. So here's a few updates on it. As you guys remember, last time we were here, there was a noise coming from the exhaust area, but also the lifter area heads. I got a text from one of the drivers. When they moved the truck, they said that now it was making a sound that was like unbearable. So here we are. Okay. Of course I agree with them. The sound is unbearable. Probably those headers, hopefully just one. I only saw the passenger side, but maybe one of them broke a couple more pieces or a couple more studs, and here we are. So here's my my plan, and I don't know if you guys agree. So every time the truck sits for a while when I got here and start her up, she gets oil light that comes on. I can't necessarily distinguish between the lifter noise and the exhaust at this point because it's so loud. But if I do end up doing lifters, I have to pull the head. On a regular truck, I would have to remove the exhaust. On this one, I can pull it with the exhaust. I don't know how that's going to work with machining though, so I might have to do gaskets again. But anyway, excuse me. What I think I'm going to do is do the exhaust first, get it to quiet down, and then still do a tear down as far as removing the intake, and then removing the oil valley area for the lifters, removing the valve covers, and then just inspecting it and see what I find. I'm not sure that I'll find something major. This is the first time that this happened. Most cases, most GMs, they take forever, and then when you take it apart, you see like actual damage. So I have to look very closely to each cam lobe, and then go from there. Alright, so let's get it. Open up. Open up. That's locked. Doesn't look too bad. Okay, let's go to the other side. And all my lights are dead, so here we are, giant pot light. So as you guys remember in the video, this is where I was concerned. But let's start her up and just listen. See if I can put this on here. Of course it's plastic. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. Oy, oy, oy. All right, start you up. It's definitely the other side. When you're in the cab, you can't tell, but okay, well, that's because the cat got stolen. Okay. So now I gotta call the customer and see what they say. Alright, so I called the customer and let them know that they need to look at those at the camera footage for that day after we dropped off the truck. Because I remember them calling me 2 days later saying that it was like super loud, and I couldn't believe it because I was like, I drove it, you know, it wasn't that bad. So change of plans. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the intake. I have the gaskets, and I'm just gonna look in there, see what I find. didn't take too long. So here's the oil body cover. Next few minutes I'm going to spend cleaning it up and just seeing what I find. There's the cam lobes there and a couple there. Valve covers. Valve covers are next if I can't find anything there. Ideally, if I can avoid taking it out, because really it's just disassembly and reassembly. So if I can save them some money, I really would love to do that. Anyway, so I'm gonna stick you guys in my head, and then you guys will see what I'm doing. The seals are still quote unquote good. They're not flat, so that's a good thing. I'm not even gonna put brake cleaner yet. I do want to, of course, remove don't do this at home, guys. This is not recommended. It's not what these ones are for. God. Oh my god. Okay. So normally on the passenger vehicles you would see a screening here, which I'm not seeing. And instead of a crush washer, it just has, I mean, instead of an O-ring, it has a crush washer. So, okay. Again, don't do this. You guys are better than me. You guys have the right tools. I just left mine at the shop. Okay. I'll retouch that. Let's see. See how we can do this. Right there. Let me point at it before I touch it. So, yay! Maybe I get to go home early. Is this okay, guys? Can I point at it with you with this for you guys? Okay, so right about here. Ooh, that's bad too. All right, I'm gonna get you guys off my head. Sorry for the grunting. It's really uncomfortable. All right, so I'm gonna try to zoom in on the maybe when I'm editing the video, but if you guys can see there. All right, I'm gonna switch over to my phone. We are with the handy dandy iPhone. All right, so I don't really think I need to look farther. Okay, come on. Where's my pointer? Okay. So right about, god damn it. Okay, right there. You guys see that? And I can feel it through the thing here. Like, it's actually, that's bad. And over here as well, this little scratch here. You can see it, but can't truly feel it. See, what about here? This doesn't look too bad. And I'm just resting it on there. I'm not scratching it super hard. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rotate the engine, and then we'll get it on top so we can see it. What size is it? Stick your hand here and you feel around, and that's going to be at 21, 22. Dandy dandy, 3/4. That might be too long. Let's see if I can do it with the little one. Oh, Lewis. Oh, I'm getting old. Oh, in fact, oh shit. Okay, now I lied. This is 24. Sheesh, that's a big boy. Yeah. Okay. Okay. 22, nope. This one, nope. Let's go 24, 27. We need an adapter. No, do I need an adapter? Yeah. An adapter. Let's see how we do it. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. I'm barely gonna have room to get in here. Sheesh. Okay. You guys looking? Yeah, you guys are looking. Yeah. Okay. Nope, we want to go the other way. Come on, Louis. Okay. I think I like recording because I like talking to myself. Yep, that's the right way. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, I should have marked where I was at. But that feels like compression for sure. Okay, let's go look. Ouch. Okay. Oh, here we are. That's it. So just gonna go a little bit more so I can get some clear pictures for my customer and for you guys. Okay, that's it. Yep. All right, I'm gonna switch over, guys, to the iPhone. Here we are with dandy iPhone. Can I touch it? It's tight still. No, but anyway, I hope you guys take my word for it. Lifter cam, I think the lifter just smacked the crap out of that for sure. But yeah, the proper repair would be to do cam and the lifters, guys. So you guys, I hope you guys saw that. I hope I got a good picture for you guys. I could remove the valve cover and look at all that, but I already know I have to do this job if they choose to do it, of course. So I got to take a few pictures for my DVI. I hope this video is enough for them too, of course. What the hell? All right, so picture. Oh, it's dirty. All right, so picture. Okay. All right, so I guess that's gonna conclude this video. You guys don't need to see me put this back together. I will, of course, reuse this gaskets because I have to take it back out anyway. So there is no purpose of me putting new stuff on and then take it back out. That's just wasteful, and gotta save them some money. So I gotta put it back together because I have to order the parts, make up the quote. And as a fun fact, this is a GM, of course, 6.0 SFI or flex fuel. When I was trying to cross-reference the parts, so like for example the gaskets or the manifold that I thought I was going to do today, in my mind it's a 6.0 GM, so I'm going to quote a Express 4500 or whatever, but it just wouldn't cross-reference. So like I called GM and they were like, you got to call Isuzu. Called Isuzu, they gave me the part numbers, and whenever I like looked up those part numbers, they would only come up as a catalog on Isuzu, which I get because it's Isuzu, but I just would have thought that they would have cross-referenced. They look identical. The exhaust manifold is about 200 bucks when you buy it from AutoZone, which I get AutoZone, but when you quote it through Isuzu or GM, is like $600 or $700. So there is a big disparity there, or I really don't know what the big difference is because it's just got GM 6.0. But anyway, that's a big job. That's a big job. And honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna do it. I used to do these things when I was working at the shop in Precision Tune. I just haven't done them in so long, and then I'm just so busy. But anyway, we'll see. We'll talk about that later.